Up next is Bad Boy from India, car number 27 versus Peak.
Oh, very nice and white initiation. Right there is Peak. Applying the pressure. He's right there.
Oh!
Contact.
Big hit.
Yeah, there's no room for Bad Boy to transition. So, but still, they're both going, showing sportsmanship from both drivers right here. Oh, now! Ah, there you go. I think it's a broken axle. It's a broken axle.
Yep. Probably
broken axle.
the rear right.
Yep.
Rear right of the Bad Boy. Because of the contact.
Because of the fault of car number 21, Bad Boy now is given 10 minutes to fix his car. All right, so we're going to revisit second run here. India versus Thailand. Now
Yep.
Peak will be leading
Yep.
and Bad Boy to chase. Right, here we go. Peak leading. Very big flick entering. Very nice and wide. Good line there by Peak. Giving space for Bad Boy to chase. And Bad Boy is trying to catch up now, trying to find that pocket to stick to that door of Peak. But he's still one transition away. Bad Boy trying to catch up. Very nice lead run here by Peak. Zone number 5 clear. Last zone. Make some noise, Thailand! Woo! Bad Boy, what you gonna do when you move to top 8?
Bad Boy from
Bad
India
Boy gets the win.
advance to the top 8.
We've got Bad Boy from India versus Bling from Australia.
Yep.
International affair. Very nice, but shallow line there by Bad Boy. But Bling trying to. Whoa, look at that Bling applying the pressure. The advantage because of the pretty shallow line by Bad Boy on initiation. Oh, he over rotates. Coming towards zone number 4. Bad Boy. All you gotta do is just to finish this one. One more turn, one more zone. Make some noise. Patum Thani, Thailand.
A good lead run by Bad Boy from India.
Here we go, second run. Oh, look at this. Very wild from Bling. Big initiation, big angle, big line. Now, 3 tires off. Now that's a clear-cut winner. Because there's nothing much Bad Boy can do now, is just to finish the run. Bling now is just putting on a very amazing smoke show. Make some noise for these two drivers, Australia and India.
Damn.
Oh, what is that? What are you gonna do if you go podium?
Car number 77 advance to the top 4. That means Bad Boy
Mudit,
advance
Bad
to the
Boy.
top 4.
From India, making India proud right now. India versus Indonesia. Bad Boy will lead and Farel will chase. Let's go. This is your second half semi-final. Very nice initiation. Oh, 1 tire, 2 tires. Shallow angle there by Farel trying to keep up the pace. But the amount of smoke from Bad Boy's car is probably causing a problem for Farel, but he's still right there.
A lot of us. Wow.
No! Spins out.
Wow.
So this second run could be potentially the decider of who's going to the finals. Okay, here we go. Now Farel will see fresh air, and Boy is gonna chase. White line there by Farel. Bad Boy controlling the aggression
Farel
making
got
sure.
nothing to lose.
That's right. Both of them got nothing to lose.
Right.
So, yeah, you see Farel trying his best to put as much angle in that underpowered Zafiro. But Bad Boy, well deservingly controlling the car. Oh, very good control, to be honest, by Bad Boy. It's not easy chasing a slow car, and he's doing such a good job. Make some noise, Thailand!
I can say
Whoa,
this is the one of the best run for both cars, both drivers.
One more time!
Bad Boy from India versus Lek Jica from Thailand.
Oh, he shuts down there. Very nice white line from Bad Boy, but Lek Jica shuts it down, taking a shallower line. Again, the rotary needs RPM. Because of the line approach he took, he cut short the course and then did not bring up the RPM just in time. The car stalls up and straighten out. But look at that. Bad Boy is just doing his thing. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Very nice white line by Lek Jica. Bad Boy drift. Try to close the gap. Lek Jica not taking the white line that he's supposed to, but Bad Boy's not faced. He's sticking close. Transition to a zone number 4. Oh, and now he stopped. He stopped
Almost.
it. Wow. Whoa, there you go. What you gonna do, Bad Boy?
Bad guy.
Let's go.
Bad Boy, car number 27,
Yes, he's
advance to the top 16 versus Bond.
Bad Boy! Bad Boy! Bad Boy! What are you gonna do if you go podium?